In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a list to a board in Trello. Whether you're using Trello for organizing personal tasks or managing a team project, adding lists is a fundamental skill that will enhance your productivity. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. This is where it all begins. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to do so to access your boards and make changes. You'll find the login button prominently displayed, usually at the top right or towards the center of the homepage, depending on your screen size. Once you've clicked on login, you'll be directed to a page where you can enter your credentials. Here you can either log in using your email and password or take advantage of the convenient Google account login. Just choose whichever method you usually use and proceed to sign in. This step ensures that you're securely logged into your personal or professional Trello account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Trello homepage or dashboard. From this space, navigate over to the Boards section. You might see it listed as Boards right on top of the page or within a side menu, depending on Trello's latest design updates. Now you'll want to direct your attention to the Your Workspaces section. This is where all your current projects and collaborations are housed. Take a moment to browse through your options before clicking on the specific board you want to work with. This might be a board dedicated to a work project, a personal goal, or a collaborative effort with teammates. Once you've selected your desired board, click on it to open up the detailed view. Inside your board, you'll see the layout of existing lists if there are any. To add a new list, look for the option that says Add Another List. This button is typically found at the far right of your current lists. Clicking it will open up a prompt for you to name your new list. Think about the purpose of this list and give it a name that reflects its content or goal. It could be named after a project phase, a task category, or anything else that fits. After you've entered the list name, press enter to confirm it. Trello will refresh the board view to show your newly added list, and there you have it. You've successfully added a list to your Trello board. Feel free to repeat this process and create as many lists as you need to organize your board just the way you like it. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps enhance your Trello experience.